What I'd like is to be treated just like a normal person, I suppose. I don't want to be treated any better than anyone else, but I don't want to be labelled either.
Hi, welcome to the BlueWing Show, where we're going to talk about relief, support, care and family for our participants. It is our mission to show you there is help and support and people that care about the individuals.
67 years old. I live with two other people, my wife and my son, Andrew. I suffer from PTSD. I have other physical disabilities as well, like back. I was attacked on a bus while working, and that's what triggered off my PTSD, and I haven't been really good with people since then yet. BlueWing have helped a lot with getting my mobility scooter. I've gotten a lift chair as well, which helps me with my getting in and out of a chair at night. I've gotten shoes provided through BlueWing, a watch in case I fall over. Once every fortnight I also get a occupational therapist come to the home, teach me new exercises, make sure that I'm doing them right, keeps an eye on me. The PTSD affects me in a way that I'm not as trustworthy as I used to be. I have great difficulties getting onto public transport, especially buses. The same with the trains. If I'm on a train, I have to sit sort of like with my back to a wall so I can see people coming and going, because I don't trust people coming up from behind me. What I'd like is to be treated just like a normal person, I suppose. I don't want to be treated any better than anyone else, but I don't want to be labelled either. In ways of changes, I'd like to change my appearance a lot more. Done quite a bit actually. I've lost nearly 30 kilos, which has helped. Jan commented today that I've lost a lot of weight, so thanks, Jan. I'm grateful for the products they have been able to get on my behalf. I'm grateful that they're there to support and help. I'm looking forward to losing more weight, which is good for my health. And what I want from BlueWing in the future is exactly what they're doing now, but maybe a little bit faster. You told me to know. No, can we cut that?